We are working on homework 3.4, slope of the line. Find the slope of the line that goes through the given point 1, 1, and 8, 5. So, 1 second. One, 1, and 8, 5. So what do we have? We have here x1, y1, x2, y2. Slope m is equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, or y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. As you notice, the important part is if first you take y2, that means but at the bottom also you have to take x2. If you take y1, then at the bottom also has to be x1. Index has to be the same. Okay, so m is equal, I'm taking y2 minus y1, 5 minus 1, and 8 minus 1. We are getting 4 over 7. Okay, let me write down 4 over 7. Okay, next question. What do we have? Same thing. So y2 is negative 5. Negative 5. Okay, let me solve it this way. Negative 1, negative 7, 7, negative 5. Negative 1, negative 7, 7, negative 5. So m is equal, I'm doing negative 5 minus negative 7, because this is y2, this is y1, and over 7 minus negative 1, x2, x1. And that is equal negative 5 plus 7, and 7 plus 1. So 2 over 8, which is making 1/4. 1 over 4. Next one, number 3. Find the slope and y-intercept. Okay, f of x is equal 6x minus 6. So f of x, it's the same thing as a y, 6x minus 6. We always have to have to be able to find slope, we always have to have in the format y is equal mx plus b, where m is a slope and its coefficient of x, and b is our intercept. We're gonna do in the format of coordinates, which is gonna be 0, comma b. So let's see. Y is equal 6x minus 6. It's in this format. So 6 is going to be my slope. Negative 0, comma negative 6 is going to be my intercept. So the slope of line is 6. And the intercept we're going to put in the position in the format of coordinate. It's going to be, because it's a y-intercept, so it's going to be in second position, right? So 0, comma, negative 6. Closing parenthesis, and we are done. You always have to put the intercept in second position. Negative 6 was in the position of y. Negative 7x plus y equal 15. Is it negative 15? No, it's positive 15. Okay, let it be positive 15, doesn't matter. So, I can't decide in this format how much is slope or intercept. I'm going to rewrite y is equal, flipping this over, positive 7x and plus 15. Now I can say 7 is slope and 0 comma 15 is my intercept. Put parentheses, 0 comma 15, closing parentheses, it's our intercept. Moving to question number 5. Okay, same way, negative 7x plus 7y is equal to negative 7x plus 7y is equal to, I need to represent in the format y is equal mx plus b. So from here, 7y is equal positive 7x plus 2, right? Once I move over equal sign, I flip the sign. And we need to divide by 7 because we need y by itself. So this is gone, and I have y is equal x plus 2 over 7. Now, when I have x, that means 1x. So 1 is going to be my slope, and 0, 2 over 7, it's going to be my intercept. So slope is going to be 1, and parentheses, 0 comma 2 over 7, closing parentheses, no, this way. Okay. Question number 6. Well, in this case, it's much easier. So y is equal 2 over 9x. Slope is going to be 2 over 9. But since we don't have any intercept, plus, minus, anything, so it's going to be 0. Put in parentheses, 0 comma 0, closing parentheses. Oh, I said 0, where from 9? Okay, question number 7. Match the following equation with graph. All right, now our intercept is 0, 1, and the slope is negative 4. Remember one thing, every time when slope is negative, that means your graph is decreasing, going down. When slope is positive, your graph is increasing, going up. So in this case, C and D is going up, which means that's not the case. Our slope is negative, that means it's going to be either A or B. How I'm going to identify? This intercept is plus 1. See that? 0 and 1. Let me see which one has 0 and 1. The A has 0 and 0. B has 0 and 1. So I'm choosing B. Next one, x is equal 7. When we have graph x is equal 7, remember, the graph is going to go like this. This is 7. So the slope is undefined. This is why the rocket is taking to the space vertically, because slope is undefined. It's practically infinity. Okay? In this case, it's going to be answer slope is undefined. Next, y is equal -1. Okay? Y is equal -1 here. -1 is vertically. But that means the slope is 0. A slope in life is practically angle that if you are the car is driving to the hill, up to the hill or down to the hill. So when it's driving up to the hill, then slope is going to be positive number. Down to the hill, that's why it's negative number. That's why when the slope is negative, the graph of function is decreasing, and if slope is positive, the graph of function is increasing. But when it's going horizontally, then slope is 0. Question number 10. Find the slope of the line. So if I solve this, it's going to be x is equal -7, right? When we are graphing x, it's going to be vertical line that goes through -7, which means it's the slope is undefined. Question number 11. Find the slope and y-intercept. Okay, in this case, slope is going to be what? -1, because we have -x, right? So -1. Oh, I put equal sign. Okay. And the intercept is going to be 0, -6, right? Question number 12. Okay, decide whether the lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. So both of them have in the format mx plus b, correct? So, and both of them have the same slope. To be able, the graph would be parallel. They have to go on to the hill on the hill under the same angle, which means slope has to be the same. So here we have slope for the first one 7, for the second one also 7, which means they are going parallel. Number 13, question number 13. Again, it's asking lines are perpendicular, parallel, or neither. So the slope for first one is -9. Slope for second one, 3/2, which means neither one. Hopefully one of them will be perpendicular, so I can show you when we recognize perpendicular. Oh, there we go. These lines are going to be perpendicular because they are reciprocal. -2, and you flip 1/2 and positive, right? Let me real quick. -2, that means denominator is 1. So if you flip 1/2 and flip the sign also, positive 1/2. So reciprocal of -2 is 1/2. Let me clean this equal sign. All right. So in this case, we have perpendicular, correct? Question number 15. How about this one? We can't say just like that because I have to rewrite in the format mx plus b. Let me rewrite. So, -4x plus 7y is equal 1. So from here, 7y is equal +4x plus 1. dividing by 7, and I get y is equal 4 over 7 plus 1 over 7. Okay, now second one, I'm going to solve. 7x plus 4y is equal 12. Well, I can say already they don't have anything in common. We'll see. So 4y is equal negative 7x plus 12, dividing by 4. This is gone. And I have y is equal negative 7 over 4x plus 3. So okay. So we have 4 over 7. Hold on, x. And here we have negative 7 over 4. So it's reciprocal. So which means these two graphs are perpendicular. What do we have here? Simplify and solve for y. All right? Let me simplify and solve for y. Me taking the picture so I can write down without missing any sign. So we have y minus negative 6 equal twice x minus 0. Okay, we are getting y plus 6 equal 2x. 2 times 0 is 0, right? So from here, y is equal 2x minus 6. And that is the answer, right? 2x minus 6. Number 17. Find the slope. Well, we already did. Of a line parallel to this line. When we have parallel, slopes have to be identical, right? So it's going to be negative 7 over 8. Very good. And the, which one? This is 18. Oh. What is happening? I should have one more question with perpendicular. Yeah, perpendicular, last one. The slope of the line perpendicular. So the slope for this equation is 3 over 8. That means perpendicular, for perpendicular line, we're going to have reciprocal. It's going to be negative 8 over 3, right? And that's it. We are done. Okie dokie. See you in next video.